Hi everyone and welcome back! As you know, Black Friday is just around the corner, so is Christmas. So the aim of this video is to help you out a bit with choosing a gift for that special somebody. Be that your boyfriend, your husband, your father-in-law, whatever male figure you have in your life. The price range of the products starts from below £10 till 200, and it really depends on the budget that you have, so I made sure there's something for everybody. Also, all the items are going to be linked down below, so you have an easy access to everything that is mentioned in the video. So without further ado, let's start! The first gift idea is a styling set. I've chosen one from David Beckham's collection House 99 and it's only £14. It has really nice reviews and it won't break your bank account, so I really think it's a really good present that you can give somebody. Second one is again from House 99 and that's a shaving kit. As you know, guys tend to take good care of their beards. That gift is really practical, they are gonna use it, and it again has really nice reviews and it's only £15. The third gift idea is again from House 99 and it's the last thing from House 99, I promise, there's no more. And that's a face kit. It's £30, it consists of 3 different products, but the good thing is that on their website the kit is £30, but if you go and look it up on Boots, they have the different products separately and it goes over £60, so I'll be linking that down below for you to check out. We've started with products which you use to take care of yourself, so next on my list is a really good perfume. Boys are always going to use it, so I think it's a really nice gift idea. It really depends on what the person in your life likes, but there are some perfumes that you cannot really go wrong with. Some of them are Dior Homme, Dior Sauvage, or Bulgari Aqua. At least my boyfriend really likes the Bulgari Aqua one. The next gift idea is a reusable cup. You can usually find them everywhere, but I've picked one that looks really nice, manly, elegant, but yet again useful. It's £20. Yeah, if you have a coffee or a tea lover in your life, I think that's a suitable present and it's very practical. They're going to use it probably every single day. You can just go to Starbucks and use that reusable cup, so I believe it's a really nice gift to gift someone. And as we are on the topic of coffee, the next gift is a coffee machine. I believe every coffee lover needs a really good coffee machine in their life, and I've picked one for you. I bought it as a present for my boyfriend last Christmas. He's been very happy with it. Yeah, he says that he thinks of me every time he makes a coffee. I don't know if I believe it, but it does feel nice to hear it. My next gift idea is a wallet. A wallet, I believe it needs to be good quality, as that's something that you use every single day, but good quality doesn't mean very expensive. So I'll give you 2 price ranges. One is from Fatface. They have really nice male leather wallets. And the other one is Aspinal of London. If you go on Brand Alley and if you search for Aspinal of London, they have pretty big discounts. So I believe that's the ultimate gift if you don't know what to buy a person, because they're gonna use that wallet every single day. And since I've started talking about Brand Alley, they have really good deals about watches as well. If you want to surprise somebody with a watch, Brand Alley is the best place, as they have huge discounts and you get the watch with a certificate and everything else. You can start from below 100 to over £300, so it again depends on your price range, but I'll be linking my favorite choices down below. Smaller gifts that you can buy someone are books, for example. So you need to know what they prefer reading. You can get them a really nice book. I'll be linking some of my favorites down below. If you need to find a gift for Secret Santa, I believe book is a really good option. You can find different price ranges on Amazon and different genres. and also you can buy them used, which I believe is the greatest idea ever, because I don't like buying new books. I prefer buying books that are old, and when you open them you can you can smell it, you can feel that they're old. I don't know, I might be weird, it might be just me, but yeah. Another gift is a speaker that has a very different price range, so I'll be linking down below. I found one that has a lot of positive reviews and it's only £20, so I think that's a really good gift as well. Again, on the smaller price range is a Monopoly card game. So that's not like your normal Monopoly board game, it's a card game instead, and it doesn't last for hours and hours. It's a really entertaining game, I love it, I've played it so many times, and yeah, I believe everybody should get one of them. So that's the ultimate favorite present ever, and it costs only $9.30 on Amazon. I'll be listing a variety of games, and whichever one you think is the most interesting one, but I would highly recommend the Monopoly card game. So now I'll give you gift ideas for your oral hygiene. A really good present is an electric toothbrush. I'll link a few of the options below, because there was one with like less options, which is £30. Another one that has like, I believe, different heads, many more options, and it's $90. Or the toothbrush that's from like £90. If you get one for you and your partner, you can get it for £125, and that's without the Black Friday discount. So I'd highly suggest to look it up. So next item that I've picked is something that's useful for everybody, but especially for people that have braces. So I recently purchased a water flosser. It basically cleans easily in between your teeth, it's painless, and it's actually very satisfying. It has like different modes, low, medium, high. You just need to charge it from over here, and I've charged mine like month and a half ago, and it's still working, and I haven't had to recharge it yet. You have also different heads. I think it's a really nice present, as not everybody is going to buy it for themselves, but if you do buy it for them, they're gonna use it and they're gonna be happy about it, because I don't know, I hate flossing my teeth, so it was the best solution ever, and I don't regret buying it even for a second. And it's not that expensive either. It was £27 on Amazon, so after the deals you might get a better price for it, but yeah. Now a bit more on the expensive side are headphones. If you are going to get headphones, you might as well invest in something good. So I've picked like few things with different price range for you. For me, the best headphones are from Beats by Dre, so that's where I'm going to be recommending from. I already have ones, but they're not wireless because they're older ones, and I still use them, and they're perfect for a present if you would like to invest a bit more money into it. So I already said headphones, so if they already have headphones, you can maybe purchase earphones, which they can go to the gym with. It really depends on the preference of the individual, if they prefer earphones or headphones, but I'll be listing both options down below. The next few gifts are not going to be physicals. One of the things that you can get somebody is indoor skydiving, which I found is around £30, or if you would like to go together with your partner, it would be around £50, which is a pretty good deal, and it sounds like a really interesting experience. If that's not risky enough, you can always go for outdoor skydiving, so tandem jump. So you're basically going to jump out of an airplane. It's just jumping with a parachute. Me personally, I would never jump out of nowhere. Like, I get scared if I'm a meter away from the ground, so that's a complete no-no for me. But I bought that as a present for my boyfriend, and he was over the moon when I gave it to him. He's going to jump next year, so I'm gonna let you know how that went. Another jumping option is bungee jumping. If the person that you're with enjoys like a lot of adrenaline, that's totally the thing to do. if you want to get something adventurous but you don't want it to include like jumping out of somewhere and flying in the clouds and so on and so on, you can always buy a voucher for car racing, which I've heard people do really enjoy. Yeah, it's a really nice option, so I'll be linking everything down below. And the last gift idea that I have is a very general one. So if you do not like any of the ideas and you still don't know what to get your special someone, you can always get them a gift card for their favorite shop. So that might be Massimo Dutti, John Lewis. You can get them a game gift card if they're much into games but you don't know which game they'd prefer. I'd suggest you just put money into a gift card and give it to them and they can choose for themselves what they would prefer. So everyone, that was all for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video and that it was useful for at least one person, and if it has been, I'd be very grateful if you leave a comment down below with what you've picked and later on what the reaction of the person was. And oh yeah, and if you can like and subscribe, I'd be very grateful. Yeah, so see you again next week. Bye! Yeah, my dog is again very interested. Right, buddy? Sleepy. Do you wanna go for a walk? Разходка? Разходка? Ще ходим ли на разходка? Your little tongue.